Hey, how's it going? My name is Pasha Kretsch and welcome to my channel. Here I talk all things money, business, and side income. And in today's video, I'm going to be trying out DoorDash in my area. If you are an existing subscriber, you probably know that I do Uber Eats as my side income. And if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to my channel if you do like my content. And with that being said, let's get right into it. Now, as always, I'm going to be starting my day with a full tank of gas. I filled up yesterday, so I'm not stopping by a gas station. And I'm currently on my way to the car wash to get my vehicle washed because I like to start my day with a clean car. You yourself don't have to go to the car wash and wash your car. It might be a little bit loud, but I think it's important to include the portion of me actually going into the car wash. But I personally enjoy having my car clean, and I find that it just makes you feel more professional and more prepared for the job itself. And now that we are done with the car wash, it's time to go online. So we're just gonna press Dash Now, and it's gonna select the time available. I'm gonna go until 10 p.m. and I'm just gonna say that I have my red bag, which is right here. I have the card, enough gas, phone is fully charged. So you're just gonna have to check everything on, and then you start dashing and you're good to go. You're online, and now we're just looking for requests. So we just got our first request. I'm not going to take it because it's only for $7.25 for 7.5 miles, so it's under $1 per mile, and it's going the opposite direction that I'm going. So I'm just going to continue driving towards a better area that I know is usually busy during this time, and we'll see how that goes. Just got a second request. It's for $5.50 for 5.2 miles, so it's a little bit better, but it's still not big enough for me to come and pick it up because it's showing that I gotta deliver it in the next 24 minutes. And I know that in this time and in this traffic, that's not going to happen. So I'm just gonna ignore this request as well and still continue driving towards the area that I know is good. So we just got another one pretty much right away. It's for 7.1 miles, and that's $5.19, which honestly is bad. That's just not going to work for that trip, so I'm just going to decline it. So I don't even know how much you can make on DoorDash, which is why I'm doing this experiment from 5:30 until 9:30. But I do know how much you can make on Uber Eats, and if you want to find out yourself, click a link right here and it will guide you to the video that I made about how much I made on Uber Eats. Today I'm going to drive on DoorDash from 5:30 until 9:30. Today is Tuesday, so let's see how much I can make on this. Now I just got an order for pickup for $5.50 at McDonald's. And that's gonna be the first order of the day I'm gonna pick up because it's $5.50 for 2 miles. And the McDonald's is literally right here. So I'm going to take this order. I've already accepted it, and I just arrived at the store. It says pick up in the next 3 minutes. That's definitely not going to happen considering how many people I have in front of me. Going to take a little longer than 3 minutes that it's telling me. While we are waiting, we can actually look over the instructions and any sort of items that we need to check for in the DoorDash app. And this is what I'm gonna do right now as I'm sitting in the drive-through line. I'm gonna grab my DoorDash bag. DoorDash, right? Thank you. We confirming the pickup, say confirm. And now we have the instructions on where to go. As you see right here, you encounter a lot of police, so don't speed, drive safe. It'll make your life a lot easier. So just found the drop-off location on the driveway just to be out of the way for the people. And I'm gonna go deliver the food real quick right now myself. And then we complete the delivery steps, take a photo. Now we can see that we made $2.50 base and $3 on the tip. That's the first delivery in the first 25 minutes. So far, $5.50, not that great. So we just got one more order for $6.50, 3.7 miles. I am going to take that because it's not too far away from here, and Chick-fil-A is usually pretty good from my experience on getting everything done on time. So by the time I get there, I should probably already have the order ready. So here I am, already got the order. We only gotta go 2.8 miles. The map is telling me it's gonna be 8 minutes, and it's supposed to be $6.50 on this order. We shall see. This order is worth it, but if it was consistent back to back on decent orders, this would be good. But right now we're sitting at $5.50 for this hour. After we finish this one, we're going to be sitting at 12 bucks, and $12 in 1 hour is nothing. It's really, really low considering all the expenses above. And another fun thing for today, it's probably going to rain a little bit. It's really nice when the customer includes the gate code to their gated community so that you can actually just go and drop their food off and not have to call anybody and figure things out. So basically at the drop-off location, now we just gotta find the actual building number and put it exactly where it belongs. And now that we finished this drop-off, the customer actually came out, which was pretty nice. After we finished the drop-off, it's $13 for the first hour and 2 minutes. So we are sitting at a whopping $12 an hour pre-expense. Happy to see rain, especially considering that I'm gonna have to keep on getting in and out of my car. Sounds like an awesome experience. Just got a request for $7.06 to go 8.3 miles in the rain in the opposite direction of where I want to stay at. Not worth picking up in general for the time that it's going to take me and for the distance that I have to drive. So I just got another order to drive $6.75 for 7.5 miles. And at this point, I'm not even sure if I want to stay online because my time is just worth so much more than this. And here's another order for $3 and to drive 5.7 miles. That's not happening. I'm not taking that. Maybe just scrap the whole video. I'm not sure what to do at this point. Yeah, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna stay the whole 3 hours because I'm at an hour and a half. I'm at $13 and true profit right now is close to zero, if not zero already. As you can see, I got very discouraged from driving, and I'm gonna put a screenshot right here for the total. I've been online for almost 2 hours, drove a total of 37 miles, and made $13. Now, I wasn't going to release this video because I didn't think that it's interesting, but at the same time, I think that it's going to show that something like this can actually happen to you, and it's something to consider as well. I think I'm gonna give DoorDash another go with a different approach of just accepting pretty much everything that comes through my way, and we'll see how that goes. And that video is going to come out on Monday, July 19th. Now, if you want to see how that goes with my approach of taking every single delivery that's gonna come my way, subscribe to my channel. Please like this video, that would help me a lot. And if you have any questions or want to leave any sort of feedback, you can do it down below in the comment section. I will put my DoorDash referral link and my Uber referral link down below as well if you would like to check it out for yourself, because the results may vary for your area as well. And I think that my market is predominantly Uber Eats, but yours might be predominantly DoorDash. So with that being said, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.